On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, mini truck?
What?
What?
Talking to me?
Nope, it's Dumpy's turn.
Here I come to save the day.
Take you to go fishing, huh? Don't forget your gun. Dumpy truck, Dumpy truck. Dirty boy. Like a glove.
I don't know if it's gonna stay like that.
Why? What's gonna happen? No, that's why you strap it. Hook it through this hole. There's a little thing right here.
Oh, like this thing. Wow, that's pretty secure.
Yeah, you ain't getting that out of there. The only problem is no one's gonna see my plate. It's supposed to have like a thing with a cable on it. There. I don't know if there's flotation under these or not. Probably not. This thing sinks, it probably goes.
That means that mighty mouse is on the way.
Dumpy truck is on his way. I gotta stop and get worms. My bed's bigger. Sorry. I know it's a big truck.
Fantastic. They have these in Aruba
Yeah.
for the place.
Yep.
And I always say to my husband, I want one. I want one of those.
I guess I'll get something to drink while I'm here too. Canadian crawlers.
I know Chris still has some, I'm pretty sure, but...
I do too. They're in the fridge. He didn't want to turn around and go get them.
I didn't hear you say you had them in the fridge. I thought you'd been up here to have them in the fridge.
No. You want anything? I got waters.
You
I'll
got
just-
waters, we're good. I got chips.
Oh, you do? Alright. Jalapenos?
Yeah.
Jalapeno, not jalapeno.
What the fuck are you guys talking about? What language is that?
Jalapeno. Hey, what's up? You got it? No, I got it. What the hell? Gary's always buying you beers, man.
right.
Is that your mom that runs the store usually? Yeah. I did a video last time with her in it.
Oh, was that you?
Yeah, I got him
Oh,
here.
there you go. She told me about that.
Take it easy.
Hey, you too, man. Thanks.
Junk. Now we're ready. No beer though. Hey, have a good day. Yo.
Where you guys at?
I got my worm, so I had to stop. We're at the bridge now. That's a mighty fine specimen right there. Look out! There we go. Oh, she ain't that fast. It's just a 30-pound thrust, this one. No. Which way should we go? Faster than rowing, right now anyway. And we could turbo it if you want to row and do the same thing, but that's too much work. Good enough. I got a bigger one, but it's so big. Yeah.
You want a land shark or you want...
Land shark.
Oh, Walter.
Oh my God. That's from Saturday Night Live. That one's good. Yeah, it sounds like this motor might be on its last leg too.
I think we're going up.
This does have a tiny leak somewhere, and I can't remember where. It's really small though.
I think I see it.
Yeah, go upstream so we can flow downstream. It's a good idea because if the battery dies, when it dies, in behind us now, we're flying. Capacity. Maximum motor 10 horsepower, 600 pounds capacity. That's pretty good. We're at it. I think it's a motor this time. Hear it? That's a turbo spooling up. Been sitting about 15 years in the shed. Isn't that good? We'll go up a little more and then we'll flow down. Oh, big log. Good thing I stood up. Avoided a catastrophe. That's a big log. Uh-oh. Starting to seize up.
How was that? Oh, man.
It went through. Got 100,000 more miles on her. So we'll do it to medium for a while. Nah, it's too slow. You know, it'll be messed up in here too. You can't eat the fish. So if somebody comes and busts your ass for not having a fishing license, can't eat it anyway. You gotta throw them back.
Right. Well, they only bother you if you're putting them in a cooler, don't they?
If you have a fishing pole, they'll ask for your license. But if you got fish on you,
Yeah. And they
but we're all catch 'em. Yeah, we're catch and release anyway. You're not gonna catch anything there, Chris. I feel like George Washington, standing up.
Yeah.
What are they?
This is a jalapeno one.
Jalapeno.
Yeah!
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah, we're kind of a spectacle here, aren't we? Oh. Look at that. All them MotoCheez fans, see 'em?
Oh,
Right there it is.
got a big one.
Ain't shit today. The wind's blowing us back pretty good though. Uh-oh.
It's only a big block.
Yeah, Cam. Thanks.
And shark.
The old Bessie's still holding out. Drinking and driving. Oh, look at that big one. Yeah, oh, motherfucker. You see that? I had him. Oh, you got one? You got one? Oh, first fish of the day, Bubby. Look at that. Bass, too.
Yep.
Oh, nice. Look at that. That's a nice bass.
Oh, that was a good size one. Yeah, it was. That was pretty big.
You got another one? Oh, got a splasher. Whoa. Oh, that's a good size. Oh, man, that's a nice one. Oh, get him. Grab the lure itself. There. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Damn. Told you that's a good lure. Yeah, I got a plier if you want it. It looks like he's in there good. Oh, there you go.
That one's fucking like pregnant.
That's a nice one.
Leopard fish.
Oh, big one. No. They took our worms. There he is. Look. Hey, little bastard. It is a little one too. Uh-oh, what you got, Chris?
That's a treat.
Stick fish. Fish sticks. You like fish sticks?
No.
You like fish sticks, Mac?
No.
You remember that episode of South Park? Oh yeah, come on. Oh, you son of a biscuit. Did you see that? Oh, you got a bite. Come on. Mother.
Eat that sand up.
That's right. Cut a waterway in there. Oh, that's him. Tako!
Hope you don't think it's you.
I think he does. That's him because I can hear the accent. Look at that thing go. Oh, that's one of them skanoos. Yo! That's
A long way to Connecticut, I tell ya. 23 hours from when I got up to when I got to Boston.
23 hours.
23 hours, eh? That looks familiar.
Does it look like in the videos?
What the hell is this for? No, Claire.
Yeah, I plow with this. Taco's got a trunk of goodies.
I've got some stuff. I've dropped some parts off the guy in Connecticut already. Down to
Nice.
Cleveland in a few days. Got to drop off a rack to a guy. So part of this trip is just meet and greet and
Nice.
dropping bits and pieces off. So I've got the pumper carbs. It's exactly the same as a stock carburetor.
Yeah.
The helmet with your with riding bikes in Connecticut.
Yeah, Connecticut no helmet law.
Can I just give it a pull over? I'm not going for a ride, but... Oh, let go. It's not too bad.
I had to stop and wait for traffic. I went to turn into the house and I hit the turnstile.
Is it the ZX10, Andrew? No, it can't be. Of a dirt bikes. Oh yeah.
I think Matt's going to buy a new bike.
If the price is right.
That means that mighty mountain is on the way.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.